visited, you know, a lot of India, not everywhere, but this year I will be traveling to many more places, but I've been north, south, east, west, central, but India is a very large country. It's very interesting. So there's always, you know, there is so much to visit.
Which part of the India do you, you like the most?
They're all, you know, they're so different. That's the beautiful thing about India, is that every area is different. You know, the culture, the food, the textiles. I really love textiles, and so whenever I go to a place, I try to learn about the textiles and bring some home, and I actually make clothes with the textiles that I buy in different parts of India, and it's kind of a fusion with, you know, Indian and Western, so that I can wear it back home. In the Western, exactly. So,
and do you think photography really helps in your paintings?
Yes, it does. Absolutely, because with photography, you have to know about composition. Composition is one of the most important things in photography. And so, in a painting, composition obviously is also important. So both fields really complement each other. And sometimes, you know, color, when you're painting, you have to know about color, or when you're designing anything, color is very important. And in photography, that's also important. And sometimes if you can spot, you know, certain colors in a frame, then it makes your photograph much more interesting. Yes. So it's all part of the, you know, the fine arts, or the arts, or the visual arts. So what type of design are you doing? Is it
started a semester, hasn't started.
Oh, okay.
Starting in August.
Okay, first year?
First year.
Okay, and so what are some of the things you're going to be learning the first part of the year?
It's basically going to be the fashion and lifestyle design.
Okay.
And then they have communication design also.
Okay.
And it's fashion communication, focused on fashion communication.
Fashion communication. Okay.